Hello, in this video we're looking at how to enable SAML authentication for the Access Server. As you know, Access Server supports multiple authentication methods, and one of the features of this product is that you can use multiple authentication methods at the same time. Our identity provider for this case is Onelogin, so we're going to look at how to configure Onelogin and SAML on Access Server. As you can see, I'm logged into the Access Server admin web UI. Click on authentication and go to SAML. Once on the page, there are two pieces of information we need for our configuration of Onelogin connector. So these are the two that we need. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy these two, but I'm going to go to Onelogin portal and then click on Applications. And then add app, and I'm going to search for SAML custom connector. And the very first one that comes up, the advanced one, this is the one that I'm going to choose here. Now here I can change the display name as I want if you want to change it. I'm going to leave it as default for now. The only thing I want to make sure that the visible and portal is on, and then click on save. Once saved, we are presented with more options. The very first thing we're going to do, click on configuration. Now, if you remember, I said there are two pieces of information we need from our admin web UI. Now, I'm going to put the two windows side to side so we can see that better. Now, when it comes to SP identity, this is the URL that we need to copy in the audience entity identity. I just copied it in the field. The next one is the ACS consumer URL validator. So again, SP ACS URL off of our admin. I'm going to copy it here and paste it in this field. And I need to do the same thing again in this field, ACS consumer URL. So same URL address off of the web UI. I'm going to paste it here right now. Okay, then scroll down to where it says SAML signature element, drop down, choose assertion, and that's basically it. That's all I need to do here. Click on save. Now, once saved, here we go. Now, I'm going to go to SSO, and we need to copy the issuer URL from this page. So I'll copy this one, and now I'm going to head back to my admin UI, Access Server admin user interface. So let me expand that window. First thing, we're going to toggle the switch to enable SAML. So this is enabled. Scroll down all the way down. It says configure identity provider IDP automatically via metadata. So I'm going to expand that and copy the URL that I just copied from Onelogin and click on Get. As you can see, everything is populated here. So click on Save Setting on the bottom of the page, Update Running Server. So our SAML authentication is enabled. Now, if you would like to make this as a default, go back to Settings. Under Default Authentication System, I'll select SAML. Here we go. Scroll down, and I'm going to save it, and then Update Running Server. So from now on, our default authentication system for this Access Server is SAML.